Good afternoon, everybody. Dr. Rob DiVito here at the Arizona Center for Laser Dentistry, and I'm with our patient David. And David has agreed to actually do a quick little show and tell of how we utilize the technology here at the office to not only do your dentistry, but specifically so that we know the particular patient in person and how we actually gather the information for this particular procedure, which will be an implant. David, do we have your permission to film this and take the photo?
Yes, sir.
All right, what we're going to do is we're going to put David in our 3D machine, and we're going to use the technology that we have to three-dimensionally capture the area in his mouth, not the whole head, but the specific area in his mouth where we're going to place an implant today. And we'll do this in 9.4 seconds. So David, we're going to have you get into the machine here. We're going to set you up. I'm going to make sure that you're stable in that area. And then what I'm going to have you do is I'm going to have you swallow, put your tongue on the roof of your mouth, and hold still for me. And now the machine is going to go ahead and move around, sing a little song, and take a three-dimensional image of the specific area that we're going to work on today. And there we go, 9.4 seconds, and we actually have an image. I'm going to go ahead and let David out of the machine here. David, you all right? Okay. And what we'll do is we'll actually back up, and I'll show you on our computer screen what it actually did. It actually formulated around in a circle with a two-dimensional image, making this three-dimensional object actually more stable. It took this particular movie as it went around David's head so that we can see the specific bone that we need, the nerve that David has in his mouth, and also the appropriate anatomy that David has in his mouth so that we can not only size and image the implant that we're going to place in his mouth, but make sure that it's stable and something that's really long-lasting. And what this machine particularly does, if I can show you in a moment here, it will actually show us and allow us to measure specific implant size, length, and density that we'll be able to place in David's mouth. This is all the diagnostic images or the information that we need specific for each individual patient to make sure that the outcome is actually fantastically perfect. And it is so precise that we're able to utilize the technology that we have here at the Arizona Center for Laser Dentistry to give you something the same day. So that's the benefit, that you don't have to go to another imaging center or a smile clinic and get these images done. We can do them in-house. So if you take a look here, just to kind of make sure that it's really apparent, if I use this red line, I'm actually going through to David's top of the tooth all the way down, looking at the bone and actually looking for the anatomy of where David's nerves are to make sure that when the implant is placed, it's not placed on a nerve in that area, and also so that we see the width that David has available to the specific size of the implant, or how big we can make the implant there as well. And then here's that video that I showed you before of actual David's mouth. So right now, and hopefully maybe later we can have you tune back in, we're going to have David see our oral surgeon that's actually in the office to do the work and place the implant, and maybe we'll have a little revolving series. Hopefully that gives you a little glimpse of the technology and what we can achieve here at the Arizona Center for Laser Dentistry. Thank you.